and Ashley, and this is our van. We are full-time travelers, and today we are in Washington, which makes state number 32 on our list. And we're just outside Mt Rainier National Park. And as you just saw from the beginning of this video, we are in the most magical place there is on Earth. At least that's what we think. It's pretty nice here. This is definitely one of our best boondocking spots. We're right in the forest. We got the nice river, walking distance from our camper. We hung out here all day yesterday. I feel like we can hang out here every day, but we're going to check out the park and show you a little more of our campsite later on. Pretty excited to see this park. We talked to some people yesterday and they said it's a great park. We're super excited. And yeah, let's do it.
Alright, made it to our first stop coming in the south entrance of the park. It's a trail that Ashley had written down previously that she wanted to do. From a picture, it looks like it has a cool rope bridge. Hopefully that picture was actually on this trail. We'll see. It's called Grove of the Patriarchs. And that's the whole park. We're camped just outside the south entrance here. Came up, take a left at the Stevens Canyon entrance, and it's one of the first stops right there. The Grove of the Patriarchs Trail. So let's take a look at this. It's a quick one, and then do some more stuff after. I got the one at a time roll now. Well, we didn't share too much of the wait time to cross that little bridge.
Ridiculous.
But we waited about 25 minutes just to be able to cross that bridge, so.
And the line is super long.
Yeah, I guess that's what we get for coming on a Saturday. But whatever, we got time. So there's a little loop out here, then we gotta wait in another real short line to get back across. And then.
Not worth it. Definitely wait for a time where it's slower.
Makes me want to see the redwoods.
Me too.
Loop trail. Let's go this way.
Check out these trees growing out of a tree.
All right, Grove of the Patriarchs was a short, cool hike. Got to see a lot of very large, old tree species, which was cool. I think Douglas fir was one of the biggest, tallest ones in there. Saw a bunch of them. A lot of fallen ones too. But that trail was pretty short and crazy busy. Crazy busy. So we moved on to another trail. Oh, and we also discovered that, like other national parks, it's like half of this park is closed. And of course, it seems like it's the good half. So,
of course. So disappointing. It's so irritating.
A lot of the things we want to do, we won't be able to. But for now, we came over to this hike. It is called, Ashley, what's it called?
Shriner Peak?
Yes, Shriner's Peak.
Don't ask how long it is because we don't know.
We have no idea how long the hike is. We know the elevation changes about 2,500-ish feet. It goes up to just under 6,000, I think, at the peak. I don't know if this is a 3-mile hike or a 20-mile hike. Should probably figure that out before we get stuck out here in the dark. But for now, we're gonna keep pushing uphill. It's very steep, so maybe it'll be short. So let's go see if we can get a view of Mount Rainier. We actually haven't even seen the mountain yet. So that's obviously a goal that we're gonna do in this video. Get you a shot of the mountain. Maybe it'll be on this hike. If not, tomorrow. Let's go to Shriner's Peak though. All right.
We found Mount Rainier.
We're about 2/3 of the way up here, and we just got our first view of Mount Rainier coming up. Let's walk a little further and show you. It's a good looking mountain. Snow. Whoa. Got it, maybe? Oh, there's a lot coming over. All right, made it to the top, soaking in that cell service because there's actually signal up here and we haven't had service for a couple days now.
Yes.
But on our way back down now. Good hike, glad we did the summit. Almost quit about a mile before the top, but then figured we should just do it.
Yep, met some people. They told us when you get to the top and you look and you listen, you can actually hear like a high-pitched whistling. And they said that it's actually elk. So we got there, we're like, there's no way we're gonna hear that. And we sat there for a second and you actually hear the whistling. They say they like to hang out in that valley that you look down to. Super cool. Also got some recommendations, so we'll be hiking more tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes, they're a little more local, so they gave us their must-see things. And got a hike called Silver Creek Falls, which I think is a short one, and it's not that far a drive into the park. It should be really quick and easy to do tomorrow, and then check out some other stuff after that. So extremely excited to go back, eat dinner.
I'm so excited to eat.
So let's knock out the rest of this hike and then see what other cool stuff we can find here at Mount Rainier. Cool spot. Oh, also watching the clouds blow by up at the top of this mountain is a beautiful sight. So we'll see you on down at the bottom. All right, we're back, we're rested up. It's the next day now. It's actually the afternoon. We kind of just hung out at this campsite all morning. We'll show you a little more of this campsite. Got the drone up in the air. Can't see too much because it's so forested here, but you can see a little bit of the RV, the river, what the forest looks like. So check that out real quick, and then we're gonna head back into the park today. We're gonna do that trail we mentioned yesterday, Silver Creek Falls, and I think we're gonna ride up to it's kind of right in the middle of the park on the east side. It's called Chinook Pass. So we're gonna go check that area out also. So yeah, check out these drone shots and then let's head into the park. Buddy, sorry you can't come. Yeah, they don't like you at national parks. We won't be long. All right, we made it to Silver Creek Falls. Just recorded that whole thing when the camera wasn't recording.
We did a whole thing.
All right, Ashley, say the fact.
The trees around here are about 500 years old.
Wow, look at those facts. I already said that before, just didn't record it. All right, so we're gonna do this quick hike. I showed you the sign, but I wasn't recording it. It's only a half mile out to the falls. I think that's one way, it's a half mile, so it'll be a 1 mile hike. Real quick one.
When you say where it was?
Oh yeah, also. Right across the street from Grove of the Patriarchs, where we were yesterday. So same parking lot, same spot, right near the Stevens Canyon entrance. So let's knock out this hike real quick. Took a drive up through the east side of the park, up through Chinook Pass. Very, very scenic drive. And we stopped at a little pull-off here called Tipsu Lake. T-I-P-S-O-O. And looks like there's a little loop we could do around the lake. Very scenic, very nice. Not sure what else we're gonna do up here. Really, we just came for the scenic drive. But take a quick peek at this lake and show you anything else we might find after. Also, we should mention that we came up many thousands of feet in elevation. I don't know exactly what we're at, but I could check and show you here. I'm thinking it's around, judging by the snow, I'd say we're over 6,000 feet, just a little over 6,000.
Yeah, as I say, as you can see from the scenery, from earlier to now, there's snow everywhere, and before it was nice and warm and totally different.
Yeah, also a lot colder now.
Yeah.
But check out this lake and all of this snow. All the water up here is just so clear and blue. Can't really see the blue as much right now, but you can a little bit out in the middle of the lake. Every stream in this area, though, is just so blue.
Yes, we felt so special at our campsite with the nice blue water, but we discovered later on that blue water just runs throughout the whole park. So
yeah, I guess that's just the glacial runoff. It has a nice blue tint to it. Beautiful up here. Well, with that Chinook Pass, we wrapped up our time in the park yesterday. Back at our campsite now. There's a lot more to do in Mt Rainier National Park, but I think that's about all we're gonna do. We're not gonna go in anymore. The scooter's low on gas and it's kind of far to the next gas station down, so.
And all the big stuff are closed, so can't do the major things anyways.
Yeah, so of course we can't do it all, but at least we got a good taste of the park. We got a good look at the mountain and got to do some fun trails. Got to summit that one peak. What was it called? Shriner's Peak, that's right.
Shriner's Peak.
And of course, we could not leave this campsite without coming and at least having our morning coffee one more time by this beautiful river. Come on, just look at this place.
It's beautiful.
What else do you have to say, Ashley?
I think that's really it. I mean, I feel like doing Shriner's Peak made us feel like we've seen enough of the park because we actually got to see the Mount Rainier, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, I think that's all I gotta say.
So I think we're gonna close out this video here. I think we're hitting the road today. If not, we're just gonna do one more night and hit it tomorrow, but we're probably gonna leave today. And let's take one more look at this campsite and we will leave you with that.